Do you have a problem area that's resistant to exercise and diet? A little extra padding around your middle? Body contouring at Medical Spa of Midland may be the solution. If you've ever struggled, even after weight loss, Medical Spa of Midland can help sculpt and shape many areas, including your abs, hips, bra line, arms, and that not-so-yummy muffin top. Need a little extra junk in your trunk? Ask us how Medical Spa of Midland can transfer your unwanted fat to create the curves you've always dreamed of having. Dr. Syed has been performing laser liposuction and laser with ultrasound liposuction procedures for years and has the most experience in the 432. And through February 28, laser liposuction is an amazing buy 2 areas, get 1 free during our Lose the Fat, Keep Your Curves event. A $2,000 savings. Call us today for your free no obligation consultation. 689-6300.